Hi, I'm Joseph Dominguez. I'm a cyber insurance specialist, and on this channel, I'm going to teach you about cybersecurity and cyber insurance and how it can protect your business. Hi, I'm Joseph Dominguez from CyberGuard, and today I want to talk to you about cyber insurance. The number one question I get is, how do I get cyber insurance? Well, that's easy. You call this number. But no, actually, you speak to a cyber insurance specialist, and what they're going to do is they're going to analyze the specific needs of your business. So a cyber insurance policy, you're going to say, there's many different types of policies, and you're going to need to know which policy is going to be best suited for you. So let's just say I am an accountant. Okay, so if I was an accountant, I'm going to have lots of customers. Let's say I have 1,000 customers, and all of their personal banking information, their social security numbers, their credit card information, all of their personal information. So that type of a company is going to need a very specific policy that covers specifically for personally identifiable information. Okay, plus the regular things that come with a policy, which is ransomware, email protection, forensics, penalties, fines. There's many different facets of a policy. But an insurance specialist is going to make sure that your business has the coverage that is directly needed for your type of a company. So make sure you talk to a specialist before you buy anything. Subscribe to this channel to learn more on cybersecurity and cyber insurance. Ring the notification bell and check out our website.